Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from RLX Technology, a leading global branded e-vapor company. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. RLX Technology has just released their unaudited financial results for the third quarter of 2025, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives in international markets.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. RLX Technology reported net revenues of $158.6 million for Q3 2025, marking a significant 49.3% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by RLX's strategic equity investments in European markets and the organic expansion of their international business. Additionally, the gradual recovery of their mainland China operations has contributed significantly. The gross margin also improved to 31.2%, up from 27.2% last year, thanks to a favorable change in revenue mix and margin improvements in major international markets.
That's quite a leap. How about their profitability metrics?
On the profitability front, RLX reported a non-GAAP net income of $41.5 million, up from $263.6 million in the same period last year. This reflects their strong operational execution and cost management strategies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies. RLX Technology's non-GAAP income from operations more than doubled to $26.4 million. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
This significant increase in operating income highlights RLX's effective cost management and strategic investments. Notably, 71.6% of their net revenues came from international markets, underscoring their successful global expansion. Additionally, their robust balance sheet has allowed them to return over $500 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, including a recent $0.1 per ADS dividend.
That's impressive. What can we expect from RLX moving forward?
Looking ahead, RLX is well positioned to continue its growth trajectory. Their focus on international expansion, particularly in Asia-Pacific and Europe, along with innovations like their modern oral product line in the UK, will likely drive future growth. Their commitment to shareholder returns through dividends and buybacks also signals confidence in their long-term profitability.
CEO Insights. Let's delve into the insights from RLX Technology's leadership. CEO Kate Wang mentioned a strong performance despite macro and regulatory challenges. Can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. CEO Kate Wang highlighted their disciplined execution in international expansion and innovation, which has translated into tangible growth. She emphasized their leadership in key markets and the successful rollout of new products, which are crucial for their long-term strategy.
And what about the CFO's perspective?
CFO Chao Lu pointed out the strength of their diversified growth model, driven by organic share gains and strategic capital deployment. He also mentioned their robust balance sheet, which supports consistent capital returns to shareholders, reinforcing their commitment to sustainable profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, RLX Technology has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic focus on international markets and shareholder returns positions them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
RLX's ability to navigate challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities is commendable. Their strategic initiatives and financial discipline make them a compelling investment prospect in the e-vapor industry.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on RLX Technology's performance in the comments below.